Hi, my name's TJ Rucker, part of Rucker Knives here. I am a second generation knife maker. My father started this company about 45 years ago. I've got the third generation over here. It's my son Sam. And we're here in Redmond, Oregon at the Overland Expo. And we've got a lot of great knives here. I'm going to point out a couple of them here for you today. We've got a mid-chef knife, and we've got a set of cleavers we developed just for the overlanding community. We cut these out of saw blades that you can see over here in the corner. And so we got some good friends out of Columbia Falls, and they basically do and repair saw blades for all the mills in the Pacific Northwest and probably beyond. But anyways, we partner with them, and we give this saw blade an extra life. And so we plasma cut these things out, and we go ahead and we heat treat them up. We gave them a little bit of character by dimpling them. Got two models. We pair those with our chef knives. And we sell those over here. We have a current price of about $400 for those two. They come with a leather roll and some optional upgrades and such like that. So that's special for the show. And of course, we have our main line of knives. We do a little bit of custom work that we bring to the shows. Online, we have all of our stuff that's built out of Richlite, which is a really good composite material that you see on knives a lot now. Originally developed for skateboarding ramps, doing a little bit of kitchen work as well as countertops on those, but running about 22 models here today. We've got about 150 knives out right now, and been doing pretty well at the show. A lot of our custom work has some Damascus, and we also have majority of our main line in MagnaCut steel. So we try to use some of the best steel out there. But come and see us, Rucker Knives, over here at the Overland Expo in Redmond, Oregon.
And if people aren't here and they still want to get some of your products, what's another way that they could purchase?
Yeah, sure. You can go to ruckerknives.com. And so we have everything there. You can easily just buy it online. It's a full e-com platform. But also we do customs. So if you reach out to us, you see something you like, but you want a different handle, different profile, different steel, want a different type of leather sheath, we'll always take care of that as well for you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Can I ask a question? The handles are very beautiful. How do you make those, and what's the material?
Yeah, so we work with a company called Richlite. They're based out of Tacoma, Washington, and they do the patterns colors as we ask them to. And so we have three primary colors. We have one that's called Blue Canyon, which is kind of a pattern of blue and white. We also have one that's called Redstone, which is red and white. And then we do a triple one, which is black, brown, and Maple Valley. And so you'll see those three predominantly in our line.